Hello everyone, Nats here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to disable startup apps in Windows 10 and Windows 11. The first step is go to the start menu and type settings and hit enter. Go to app tabs and scroll down in the left side and select startup. And you can try turn off this application or this. You try select unnecessary applications, and this is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. To apply the change, restart your computer. Wait a moment. Can be patient. Login in your Windows. And this is all. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.